Hello, my name is Gabby. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky spiderweb eyeliner look for Halloween. I already did my eyeshadow, and if you want to see like the process that I did, it will definitely be up on my TikTok by the time this is uploaded. I'll definitely list all the items that I used in the description box down below, as well as my socials. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I have my Epic Wear eyeliner. Definitely going to be using this. Let me see if the brush is thin enough first, so I know how much this stuff does not like to dry. I'll show you how I do my normal wing, and then I'll add some of like the spider webs right below it. Ready? So I'm definitely going to be starting with my normal eyeliner, and this stuff is kind of sticky, and I don't really like that, so let's see if we can work with it today. First, you want to make a line, but make it as a continuation of the bottom of your lash line here. And if the line is too thick or you just don't like it, it's makeup, you can remove it and start over. So once we have that line going there, I'm going to make it into a triangle and stop it about right here. Okay, so it should look like that. This is why I hate that. Do you see that? That right there is why I hate this eyeliner. Let's fill it in first and then let it dry. Okay, and just to hide the mistake, I kind of like made the line a little thicker, just a little bit. While I'm letting that dry, I'm going to clean up that little spot right there, and I'm using the Garnier Micellar Water and a Q-tip. I feel like my eyes look like Baby Yoda. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so now that we got our base on and the eyeliner is partially on, we're gonna go ahead and take that same Epic Wear liner and start with the spider webs. And so for the spider webs, what it looks like is I've seen various people just like make straight lines coming from, I guess this will be our focal point, like our center point is right at the edge of the eye, I guess, corner of the eye. And so you just make little lines and then just go out. So I'm gonna do that. And so I'll probably wanna do about 4 of these. So I got my 4 lines, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect them with those little little arches. Okay, and so yeah, it should look something like this. I'm not gonna draw a spider on my face because I do have arachnophobia, so I'm not doing that. But I do like the way that turned out. My lines are a little bit like bad because I can't draw straight lines. I don't know what it is, but I cannot draw a straight line to save my life. But it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna let this dry, draw on the other eye, and then put on my lashes, and then come back, I guess, and do the lips. Alrighty, so the lashes are on. I feel like that helped the look out a little bit. So it kind of adds like a little bit of a spidery feel to it. I'm here for, again, still have arachnophobia, but I'm here for this look. So now we're gonna go ahead and do lipstick, and I'm using a combination of the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Alien and the Black Moon Cosmetics Lipstick in Sleepwalker, which is black. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Okay, and so the black lipstick is on, and this would be it for the finished look. I do hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, even though I'm bad at lines, but it's something we can always work on and improve and do better. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on my socials, which are in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!